Here's a helpful tutorial on how to install that often neglected but always used part of your home.
Here's some tools you may find helpful: a tape measure, a level, a square, a drill, and a set of drill bits. Onto the doorknob itself. You have your inside knob, your exterior knob, your latch with faceplate, and a strike plate. First, insert the latch. Then mark for your holes so you can pre-drill later. Once the holes are drilled, put the latch back in. Now insert the cylinder through the latch. It can be tricky. Now place the interior knob on the cylinder. Next, hand tighten the screws that hold the interior and the exterior knobs together. Once you're sure the screws are lined up properly, use a drill or a screwdriver to tighten down on them. Be sure not to over tighten. Make sure it's working properly. Next, you can screw the faceplate to the door using your pre-drilled holes. Now, you'll want to place your strike plate on the jamb. Mark for your holes to be pre-drilled. Pre-drill them. Now you're ready to screw those down. Lastly, check the operation of the door to ensure the door swings properly and closes properly. Remember, you can always adjust your latch plate up, down, in, and out to ensure the latch properly closes and secures the door. Remember, listen for the click.